Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen making some easy pecan pralines. I love pecans. So join me. It's going to be quick, it's going to be easy, and you know it's going to be delicious. So these are our ingredients. There's only 6 ingredients, which makes it easier. We're going to combine all of those ingredients except for the nuts in a pot and bring that to a boil. Then we're going to stir in our pecans. Next, we're going to remove that from the heat. Then take spoonfuls of it and put them on parchment paper. And then it needs to cool off because it's going to be really hot. And then you have something delicious to enjoy. Thank you guys so much for joining me in Lavonne's Kitchen. I'll see you next time.